Hi friends, in today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to crochet this chunky puffy bow back charm in under 30 minutes. So let's get started. As for the materials, I'm going to use a size 5 or chunky weight acrylic yarn, a 5mm crochet hook. You are going to need a little bit of polyfill and a sewing needle. To get started, you want to chain 21, starting into the second chain from the hook. Make 1/2 double crochet and then 1/2 double crochet in each chain across till the end of the row. At the end of the row, you are going to have 20 half double crochets in total. To start the next row, you want to chain 1. This doesn't count as a stitch. And you are going to make 1/2 double crochet on top of each half double crochet from the previous row, and you are going to work like this for a total of 14 half double crochet rows. Now you want to fold your work in half like this, and I'm going to hold it this way. And now we are going to close down this side by first chaining 1 and then go into the first stitch on one side, into the first stitch on the other side of the panel, and make a single crochet into the next stitch on this side, the next stitch on the other side, and make 1 single crochet. So single crochet all the way down, and I'll meet you back here. Once you're here on your first corner, in there you are going to make another single crochet, and then you are going to continue closing the sides by making 1 single crochet into each half double crochet row. Once you've reached your second corner, you want to make there 2 single crochets. And now, to match on the upper part of the bow, this side to this side, we are just going to make single crochets, like working in between these half double crochet stitches, so that you have the same finished look. Now here you want to make again another single crochet for the corner, and now you can put some polyfill inside of this pouch we've created, but do not overstuff, just a little bit, so that the bow it's a little bit puffy. Once it's done, try going into the corners a little bit. So this is how it should look like. Now it's time to close this side down, so you are going to do exactly the same by making 1 single crochet into each half double crochet row, and at the end you are just going to chain 1, fasten off, and weave in the loose end. Now next you want to chain 11, starting into the second chain from the hook. Make 1/2 double crochet and then 1/2 double crochet into each chain across. You should have a total of 10 half double crochets at the end. So you've done that, chain 1, fasten off, leave some tail for the sewing. Thread your yarn needle with your leftover tail, and we are going to sew this like so around the pouch we've created to have a bow. Weave also this loose end in. Now next you want to chain 33, starting into the second chain from the hook, make 1/2 double crochet and then 1/2 double crochet into each chain across till the end of the row. At the end of the row you want to turn your work without chaining, slip stitch to the next stitch like so, and now you want to chain 1 and starting into the next stitch make 1/2 double crochet and then 1/2 double crochet into each chain across until you have 2 stitches left. I have now 2 stitches left. I'm going to slip stitch the next stitch like this and then chain 1, fasten off and leave tail for the sewing. Now we are going to fold this piece like this, so that the last row you made, it's on the outside. Fold like this and take your yarn needle and thread this with your leftover tail. Hold your work in place and on the back side of your work, so turn this way, on the back side you are going to travel with your yarn up here and now sew a little bit together. And you want to turn your work like this, and now take your bow and place this into the middle, and now you are going to sew this piece to the bow. Now take your yarn needle again and weave in this loose end. Here is your bow. Now you want to make a chain to be able to attach this to your bag. So make a slip knot and we are going to attach somewhere up here with a slip stitch, and then you are going to chain the amount of chains you want to have. I'm going to let you know how many chains. I chained a total of 31. You can now trim off, pull through, take your yarn needle and thread this with your leftover tail. And you want now to secure the chain here on the to the bow. And then take your starting tail and also secure here a little bit, and then weave in. And that's it. This is your chunky, puffy back charm, bow back charm in under 30 minutes. Thanks for watching. Till next time. Bye.